Hi, welcome to Reasoning Across the Disciplines. My name is Ram Netta, and I'm a professor of philosophy at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. This course was originally designed primarily for the benefit of students who were about to matriculate at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. The course introduces students, many of whom have just finished high school and have mastered a certain body of knowledge that they were expected to master in high school, and who are about to enter into a college setting where the expectations were very different from those of high school. The expectations in college are not that you're supposed to master a body of assigned knowledge, but rather that you're supposed to apprentice to somebody who creates new knowledge. You're supposed to learn the art and the science of creating new knowledge. And that difference, we felt, required a kind of introduction that these lectures are designed to provide. Whether or not you're a UNC student, I hope you enjoy these lectures. Thanks.